In this clip, we're going to start our decorative cane that we're going to make. So basically, how we're going to start this is, I'm going to take a rod of color, I'm going to heat it up into a ball, and I'm going to squish it. And then when I squish it, I'm going to lay colors parallel to each other on the squished part, melt that in, and then I'm going to twist it back out. So we're going to start with the ball first. So we're going to fire up the torch. Now we're just going to try and get a nice big glob of glass on the top here, so we can squish it out. I'm going to use my marver here to just get the glass together a little faster. Keep some of the color in it. When you go to press it on your guy here, you want to make sure, get it real hot, and then when it comes out, let it settle a little bit, get a little bit of a skin on the outside of the glass, and that way when you marver it in there with your marver, it won't all squish out and get distorted. You'll still be able to keep like a central shape, but you'll be able to smush more glass into the mass. Because if you just were to take it directly out of the flame and just be like, boom, it would it wouldn't keep any shape. It would just look all disfigured, and it'd be hard to, build up a mass. When I say mask, I guess you could call it disc too. I mean, that's a pretty common term in the glass world. I guess I should start using it since it kind of makes sense. Because I guess now the more that I do this, it does represent a disc. Alright, I think we got almost enough glass for our disc. Alright, well there's our disc. We're going to pop that back in the kiln and we'll get on to our next step.